It's summertime in the Palm Beaches. That means afternoons spent outside at the beach or at one of our many pristine parks. But what if you're seeking out fun without having to lather on sunscreen? Or maybe you just don't want to get caught in one of those predictable afternoon rainstorms. I'm Theo Dorsey, and if you haven't guessed it by now, today we're featuring an exciting lineup of indoor adventures guaranteed to keep you entertained all summer long. First, let's head to Jupiter, where you and your friends can escape the summer heat while also trying to escape a sinking submarine.
I'm headed to an escape room in Jupiter, where the owner has searched the globe to find the most immersive settings. The question is, do I have the will to escape?
Okay, seems pretty tame, right? A couple of creepy paintings on the wall. So what do we got here? What am I pulling here?
This might be a puzzle.
It might be a puzzle?
You might have to figure something out, and when you do.
Oh, so this all leads to that. I can't get through that door until
you figure this out.
Okay, look at this. All right.
What was super important to me was making sure that it felt like you're really in the experience, not just in a room with some puzzles on the wall.
This is a lot of stuff happening.
Yep.
A lot of lightning. A lot of creepy dude there. What gives you the idea for the escape room? Like, is it just a trend, or because you're crazy and kind of conniving and a little?
I'm all about having fun. I don't take life seriously in general.
You seem like you're a little mischievous.
And my girlfriend actually dragged me to my first one.
Is that right?
I thought I sounded stupid. I didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
And I just fell in love with it. I love puzzles. I always
That's what I was
have.
gonna ask.
I had so much fun with it, and I saw the business side of it. And if I found a builder that could create the kind of games that I enjoy playing, they'll be fun for everybody.
A lot of locks everywhere. Is there like a shortcut?
There's a few.
Yeah, is there a shortcut?
There's no shortcuts. You have to solve everything to complete the mission.
What happens if I'm in a room? Let's assume, now obviously I'm very intelligent. What happens if I can't solve it? How long am I stuck in this dark room?
You have 1 hour.
I could be in here for an hour?
You have 1 hour to complete it.
Wow.
And if you're stuck, we're always there to help you.
The box? Holy. Oh boy.
Hello there.
What? What am I doing in here? It's very confined space here, Jared. Am I,
There might be some more puzzles in there.
Oh, I might have to, okay.
And then your final step is to get through the final booby trap.
Oh, look at this. Oh, I feel like Tom Cruise. Now, do I try to get through the lasers here?
You could try.
Is that what I do? Oh, look at this.
You can't trigger it though.
No. Am I impressing you with the way of
You've made it a lot further than a lot of people. Very impressive.
Boom! Is this a prison?
Yes, it is.
Whoa! This is well done. This feels real.
That's the goal. We want it to be realistic.
Wow. You work on this as a team? Is that what you do now?
The whole thing with escape rooms is you're always working as a team.
Okay.
It's never an individual thing. You can't solve things alone.
Right. I like that. What a great lesson for children.
Interacting is so important these days.
Well, listen, it's oddly comfortable. It's comforting. I'm not gonna lie.
Has anyone checked on Frank? Is he still there? I'll make sure to give him a call after the show. But now that we've escaped, let's head to West Palm Beach for a fun and educational experience with Kitty London.
Maya Angelou said it best. You can't really know where you are going until you know where you've been. So, when you come to Palm Beach County, make sure you stop by 300 North Dixie Highway in West Palm Beach, Florida. Historical Society of Palm Beach County is the leading source for Palm Beach County, Florida history. Housing a permanent collection of millions of objects and images that span over 12,000 years of Palm Beach County and Florida history. Well, who knew that I can be a judge? Well, the Historical Society of Palm Beach County made that happen today because I am in the beautiful courtroom, but I'm gonna let Taylor tell us a little bit about where we are and about this great place that I feel is like a treasure chest a time machine, all that for Palm Beach County.
Thank you, Kitty, for joining us today. We're excited to have you here at the Historical Society of Palm Beach County, where it's our mission to collect, preserve, and share Palm Beach County's history and cultural heritage. We also have the privilege of maintaining and operating the Richard and Pat Johnson Palm Beach County History Museum, which is where we are today. Specifically, we're in the 1916 historic courtroom. And in this space, we exhibit temporary exhibits and collections each month. And today we are opening to the public Precious Gift, Rescue and Shanghai.
Wow. And I'm smiling because I didn't like history when I went to school. Let's be real, it was boring. But you bring some pizzazz to history when you think about the artifacts that you have here, the exhibits that you have here. You make it quite interesting. I mean, I'm downstairs looking at dentistry from I don't know when. A little scary because I'm like, I would never want to have a tooth pulled back then, right? But I mean, you preserve this like it was yesterday.
We do. We really try to make our exhibits and our history feel like an experience for people when they come here, something that they can really get excited about, that they want to learn more about their local history, because we are sharing Palm Beach County history, right? That's very special to us here. And we want that to be accessible whether you have been born and raised here or you're visiting, you're new to town. We want everyone to come in and learn about our special Palm Beach County history.
An old school courtroom. That's pretty cool. Here on the Palm Beaches TV Watch Party series, you can always find me guilty of having a good time. So now that we've learned about some history here in Palm Beach County, let's visit a place where you can bring the little ones in your life to learn about the history of infinity and beyond.
While most people come to the Palm Beaches to get away from the snow and indulge in the beautiful sandy beaches, there's actually more to Palm Beach County than just our infinite sunny days. Some of the best kept secrets are the spots that many seem to skip over altogether. So next time the clouds open up and the rain starts falling, head to one of the Palm Beach's must-see educational attractions. Welcome to the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium. Operating as a best-in-class community-based science center, this place provides visitors with engaging and interactive science education experiences. Palm Beach County now has the largest aquarium, all the way from Miami to Orlando. The Science Center's 10,000-gallon aquariums house some of Florida's most beautiful native fish, such as queen angels, lookdowns, moray eels, stingrays, and seahorses, as well as a few fish that have invaded Florida's coast. The different habitats take you through the depths of our coral reefs and interpret Florida's diverse ecosystems of the Everglades, coral reefs, Gulf Stream, and the open ocean. We're here with Adam Newton and one of South Florida's only planetariums.
That's right, Gemma. We have a lot of things that we can do here at the South Florida Science Center and Aquarium in our planetarium. We have public shows that happen every single day on the weekdays, Monday through Friday, at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. Now there are shows for all different age groups. We have shows for little kids with our Big Bird and Elmo show, and we also have shows for adults where we can talk about the stars, constellations, and show you what the sky will look like tonight after you view our show and go out and view it in a real-time sky.
Speaking of the sky, this summer at the Kravis Center for the Performing Arts, you can embark on a transformative journey with space explorers The Infinite, a captivating interaction inspired by NASA missions aboard the International Space Station. It's an experience that can only be found in 4 performance arts centers in all of the country, and we have one right here. Witness breathtaking 360-degree views of space through cutting-edge technology. Disconnect from the ordinary. Forge unforgettable memories with loved ones. And immerse yourself in the wonders of space exploration. Let's check out a little preview.
Get ready. A powerful immersive experience inspired by NASA missions aboard the International Space Station. Space Explores the Infinite launches June 4th at the Kravis Center.
It gives you a sense of wonder that it's hard to put into words. You really have to experience it.
It's really interesting to see like the actual spaceship because I've never seen the inside of it before. It's a great way to learn, and I would very much recommend it if you're like interested in space.
On this incredible journey, you'll have access to never-before-seen 360 videos captured in space using advanced technology.
It was amazing. It really was. I'm getting emotional.
Join the crew of astronauts and witness breathtaking views of Earth that will leave you changed forever. Space has never been so close. Get tickets today at kravis.org.
Well, that was fun, but we've arrived back here on planet Earth. What a journey that was. Before I blast off again, I just want to thank you for joining me on this exploration of indoor activities in Palm Beach County. Whether you're a local looking for a rainy day escape or a visitor seeking out some new adventures, there's always something exciting to do right here in the Palm Beaches. Discover more inspiration by visiting thepalmbeaches.tv. I'm Theo Dorsey, and I'll see you right back here next week.